Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make pork adobo easy method. Start by cutting 2 pounds of pork into bite-sized pieces and brown them in a hot pan. Mix soy sauce, vinegar, crushed garlic, bay leaves, and 1 cup water. Add pork, simmer gently until tender, then reduce the sauce to a glossy finish. Serve over steamed rice and enjoy the savory tangy sauce with every bite. Leftovers improve overnight. Measure key ingredients before you start to speed cooking and avoid mistakes. Use 1 cup soy sauce, 1 cup vinegar, 1 head garlic crushed, 3 bay leaves, and 1 cup water for 2 pounds pork. Add 1 teaspoon black pepper and 1 teaspoon sugar or to taste, and reserve extra vinegar if you like a brighter tang. Taste and adjust seasoning near the end. This balance creates a savory, tangy adobo every time. Quick recommendation: if you're thirsty while cooking, pick up the Owala water bottle for reliable insulation and a spill-proof lid that fits cup holders. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more recipes. It's compact and fits a pocket or tote. Check the description for the link and other deals, and enjoy sipping between steps. Now let's get back to the video. Brown the pork well to build flavor and render fat before braising. Simmer gently, covered, for 45 to 60 minutes until meat is fork tender, then uncover to reduce sauce to a glaze. Finish with a splash of vinegar at the end for brightness, and add chopped green onions or fried garlic as garnish for texture and color. For richer flavor, try coconut milk or toasted garlic chips. Serve with steamed rice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.